This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying connections. Check your phone's Bluetooth quick settings to see any active pairing. Once done, open WhatsApp and go to the calls or an ongoing call screen. This is where WhatsApp routes audio. You're not changing app permissions yet. Instead, you'll force audio away from the headset by switching outputs. Make sure to keep the paired device nearby so you can confirm the change and be ready to use system controls next. On a current WhatsApp call, tap the in-call audio icon and select phone speaker or earpiece. This immediately moves sound off the Bluetooth device. If no call is active, open WhatsApp voice note or start a quick call to access the same control. Next, exit to your phone's Bluetooth settings and toggle Bluetooth off to prevent automatic reconnection. This ensures future WhatsApp calls stay local. If you prefer, unpair the device to stop reconnection permanently. Finish by testing a WhatsApp call or voice note playback to confirm audio comes from the phone speaker. If you still hear the Bluetooth device, force close WhatsApp and reopen it and make another check. Sometimes a quick phone restart clears the route. If problems persist, unpair or forget the Bluetooth device in system settings so it cannot auto-connect, then try a call again. If nothing works, re-enable Bluetooth briefly and repair, then repeat the output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.